po sa inyo at today meron po tayong panibagong video kung saan tatalakayin po natin ang top 3 refrigerators under 20,000 pesos. Siguraduhin niyo pong mag-like, share, and also subscribe to this channel kung gusto niyo pa po ng mas madami. Also, meron din po tayong bagong segment na gusto kong tawaging shoutout segment. So, i-comment down yung below ang pangalan nyo or kahit anong gusto nyo comment, i-comment down below. So yun, let's get right into the shoutout segment. Shoutout po kay Tita Adi Religua and family dyan po sa France, kay Kurt Casas. Related happy birthday po kay Ate Rosie Ilagan at kay Mika Cercado, dyan po din sa France. Shoutout din po kay Alexa de Chavez at sa ina at ama kong na nasa abroad. And also, shoutout din po kay Irish Kongat na nag-suggest ng sunod na video kung saan secrets po natin to. Tatalakayin po natin ang top 5. So yun, note po, ang price po ng mga refs na ito is nagmula po sa Abenson. Ang lahat din po ng ref ay inverter. Kung hindi nyo po alam kung anong ibig sabihin ng inverter, maglilink po ako ng video up there.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Sa I na yun. And also, baka down here sa description box below. Ang inverter, in short po, it's nakakatipid po ng kuryente, ng konsumo ng kuryente sa mga appliances katulad ng ref, washing machine, at marami pa pong iba. We will begin with a very trusted brand and very well-known brand indeed. Ang brand po na ito is called LG. The model numbers of all the refrigerators will be flashed on screen right here. And let's begin with the specifications and features of this ref. Ang LG ref po ito ay isang 2-door top freezer. Meron din itong 7.2 cubic feet capacity, no frost, smart inverter compressor, multi-airflow, low voltage startability, egg tray, vegetable bin, moist balance crisper, bioshield, tempered glass shelves, and also dark graphite. Sa mga nagtatanong po naman ng measurements po na ref na ito, ang height po niya is 140, the width naman po is 62, and ang length naman po niya is 55.5 centimeters. And this ref is being sold for only 80,995 pesos SRP. Next naman po ay ang refrigerator na galing sa Samsung. Ang ref po ito ay may 7.38 cubic feet capacity, 2-door top mount, digital inverter, no frost, 100 watts, LED interior lighting, storage basket, no cool pack, whisk ice maker, no easy slide shelf, multi-flow cooling system, and the measurements of this refrigerator from Samsung is 144.5 for the height, a width of 55.5, and the length of 63.7 centimeters. And this refrigerator is being sold for only 19,995 pesos. And the last refrigerator po natin is from the brand called Panasonic. Ang ref po ito ay may 8 cubic feet capacity, no frost inverter, plus Eco-Navi 2-door refrigerator, fully automatic defrost system, cold air control, full flat door panel image, tempered shelves, AG clean, LED lighting, slim body with spacious interior capacity, fully automatic system, ice tray, one free shelf for freezer section, and ang measurements po nito is a height of 146, a width of 54, and the length of 61.3 centimeters, and is being sold for around the price of 19,995 999 pesos SRP. So, this concludes our list of the top 3 refrigerators under 20,000 pesos. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. And also, if you disliked it, pwede mong i-hit ang dislike button. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat sa pakikinig at panonood. Goodbye!